Oh, it's frozen. This is an SRN with a sideways logo. Ooh, a lot of SRNs here. This is 130, an old 130, holy cow. This 130s. Oh, I remember this 130. This thing was banged up really bad. Here we have an Eclipse 8. Another 508. This thing is still taller than me. This thing is huge. 2001 DC. Let's check around here. Let's see what other stuff they got around here. Never mind. Go the other way. It's really nice though. Lots and lots of 130s. Yeah, a lot of them are frozen. It's the first time I'm seeing modulators here, so that's cool. Let's see what else they got over here. Yeah.